So today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious Baja fish tacos. And there's many ways that you can prepare cabbage, but I'm going to show you two different ways. So the first is to pickle it, and with a quick pickle, the ratio is 1:1 vinegar and water and 4:1 sugar to salt. So next I'm adding in the red cabbage. You can use whatever type of onions you like. I just had some shallots in my refrigerator, so that's what I used. And to add a little bit of heat, I chopped up some jalepeño and added that in there as well. Now you want to make sure that you secure the lid, shake it well to dissolve the sugar and salt, and refrigerate until needed. You can use it within 30 minutes, but it's even more delicious if you let it marinate overnight. So next, I'm going to show you how to make a slaw, which is delicious. So you want to use some fresh cilantro, fresh squeezed lime, honey, mayo, salt, and spice. I used ancho chili, and let that refrigerate as well. So I'm also going to make an avocado sauce to put on top of the tacos, and you're going to want to use 1 avocado along with the juice from 1 lime, about 1/3 cup of cilantro, with 4 tablespoons of mayo or sour cream or Greek yogurt. I used sour cream since I already used mayo in the other slaw, garlic, salt, and mix it well. If it's too thick, you can add a little bit of milk or water as needed. So for the Baja taco batter, you're going to add flour, baking powder, salt, chili powder, cayenne pepper, mix that well, and then add 1 cup of beer. I used Corona, and mix it until you get a thick batter. For the fish, you can use any type of firm white fish. I used tilapia because that's all they had at the grocery store at the moment. And you want to season it well. I use salt and chili powder. So you're going to heat your oil on medium-high to 375 degrees. You want to make sure that you use an oil with a high smoke point. And once you dip the fish into the batter, you're going to place it into the oil immediately and fry that up for about 3 to 4 minutes. Once it's done, you're going to drain it on a wire rack over a paper towel. This will make sure that the outside doesn't steam from the fish and it'll stay crisp. If you're making a large amount of these, you can also place them in the oven on low heat to keep them crispy as well until needed. So after I heated up these corn tortillas, now it's time to assemble. For the first taco, I used the pickled cabbage with the chipotle cream sauce. I'll leave a recipe for that in the description. And the second 2 tacos, I used the slaw and the avocado sauce. Both were delicious, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know if you end up trying any of these items and how you like them. Thanks for watching.